Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to host a simple dashboard page on an Ubuntu server. This is useful for displaying system info or basic web content. Let's get started. Step 1. Install web server. First, we install a web server on our Ubuntu system to serve the dashboard page. Step 2. Start and enable the service. Next, we start the web server and enable it to run automatically on server reboot. Step 3. Create dashboard page. Now we create a simple HTML dashboard page that displays a welcome message and basic information. Step 4. Set permissions. We adjust file and folder permissions so the web server can access and display the dashboard properly. Step 5. Configure firewall. If a firewall is enabled, we allow HTTP traffic to make the dashboard accessible from a browser. Step 6. Test the dashboard. Finally, we open a browser and visit the server IP. The dashboard page should load successfully. Great! You have successfully hosted a simple dashboard page on an Ubuntu server. Thanks for watching.